If you're trying to deactivate your Facebook account, then you've come to the right video, because I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process that you need to follow to successfully deactivate your Facebook account. If this is something that you want to learn, and if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into it. Open up your Facebook app, tap on the menu on the top right. Once you're on this menu, you just need to scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and tap on settings. From this settings page, tap on the search bar on the top and search for access and control. Once you search for it, you just need to tap on the access and control option and then tap on deactivation and deletion. Now this is a section where you can either choose to deactivate or temporarily delete your account. So make sure you choose the deactivate account option and tap on continue. In the next section, you need to type in the password of your Facebook account and tap on continue. Next, choose a reason of deactivating your account and tap on continue. Lastly, in this section, you need to choose the time of reactivating your account. So if you want to reactivate it automatically, you can pick between these days, or if you don't want to reactivate it automatically, you can just tap on don't reactivate automatically. This way you need to manually reactivate your account, but you will only have the 30 days limit. So if you don't reactivate your account within 30 days of deactivating it, your account will be deleted. So make sure that you keep that in mind and then tap on continue. Lastly, through this section, if you scroll down, you just need to tap on deactivate my account and your Facebook account will be successfully deactivated. But however, your Messenger will still be active. Other people won't be able to view your profile on Facebook, but will still be able to view your profile on Messenger. If you want to deactivate your Messenger also, make sure you check out other videos on our channel. So yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.